In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a metallic text on Canva, simple and easy. We're keeping this quick and straightforward so you can add that polished metallic shine to your text without any extra tools or complicated effects. Start by opening the project you're already working on. Take a moment to identify the text you want to transform. This could be a headline, a short phrase, or even a single word that you want to spotlight. Click directly on that text to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or handles around it, and your text editing options appear across the top of the screen. It's important that the text object itself is active. If you click off the canvas or select another element, the next step won't apply to the right thing. Now, look up at the top toolbar for the font color button. It usually looks like a letter with a colored underline. Click that. As soon as you do, a color panel opens on the left side of your screen. This panel shows your document colors, default colors, and most importantly for this effect, gradients. In that panel, find the section labeled Default Gradients. Just beneath it, click See All. This expands the gradient options so you can view the full set. Inside this expanded view, you'll see a group of metallic aesthetics. Think gold, silver, rose gold, copper, and a few variations that mimic reflective, brushed, or polished finishes. Choose the metallic color you like by clicking once on the swatch. The change applies instantly to your selected text. That's it. Your text now has a metallic look. If the change doesn't show up, double-check that your text is still selected and try clicking the swatch again. If you change your mind, you can use undo or simply click a different metallic swatch to switch the tone. For best results, consider how your metallic text interacts with the rest of your design. Metallic colors usually look most convincing on thicker, bolder fonts where the gradient has room to breathe. High contrast helps too. A lighter metallic against a darker background, or a darker metallic against a light background, will make the effect pop. Keep your layout clean, so the metallic element can act as a focal point, and that's the whole process. Pick your text, open the font color, explore the gradients, and choose a metallic finish. It's fast, reversible, and an easy way to elevate titles, logos, and callouts in your design. Give it a try, experiment with a few shades, and pick the one that complements your project's overall vibe.